Welcome back to our video series, Power Up Project Delivery. In a previous video, we talked about the importance of a structured process or project workflow when executing projects. In this video, I would like to drill down into one of the milestones that I mentioned, detail project engineering. The proposal that you provided to the customer included a system layout on a floor plan from System Surveyor. It reflected the curated system design that you developed along with the corresponding bill of materials, scope of work, and pricing. While that is sufficient for the sales process, it's not enough detail to guide an installation to a successful completion. Of course, you'll need to review the bill of materials for any necessary accessories or other parts and pieces so you can order all the components and cabling and other materials that you'll need. Next, your pre-installation engineer will develop a detailed device configuration schedule. This shows all the device settings and configurations for every device that you plan to install and how they interconnect with the other components. This is likely a spreadsheet and may include network assignments, usernames, passwords, serial numbers, and other device configuration information. Since the initial layout is already in System Surveyor, I recommend that you use our export-import utility, which allows you to easily make updates to all the elements using an Excel spreadsheet. Then you can import this back into System Surveyor. The detailed information will be added to the elements in System Surveyor and accessible by anyone on your team. Check out our Help Center for more information about this process. Once the equipment for this project arrives in your office, your staging team can pull this information from System Surveyor using our reports, and you can easily customize them to suit your needs. In a project staging area, your tech will program the devices and then organize all of the materials into kits based on installation location or perhaps the assigned technician. This will avoid wasted time on site getting organized. While on the customer site, all of the device information will be accessible to your installation team within System Surveyor tablet app or our new phone app. And our Info Mask feature provides a security mask over the fields containing sensitive information, like device usernames or passwords, so that only authorized users can access that information. Defining and documenting the details, along with providing the means to access the information when you need it, will help your team avoid mistakes and delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.